Downloaded a game, but it came as a zip file and you don't know what to do with it? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to extract the game and get it running step by step. First, let's locate the zip file you downloaded. It's usually in your Downloads folder unless you saved it somewhere else. Before installing anything, there's a simple way to extract a standard zip file. Windows usually can handle these files by itself, so you don't necessarily need an extra program. Right-click the zip file and select Extract All. Choose where you want the files to go, then click Extract. Windows will now unpack the files into a new folder. Once it's finished, open that folder and look for the game files. If you see a file called something like setup.exe or install.exe, the game usually needs to be installed first. Double-click it and follow the installation instructions. But if there's no setup file, look for the game's .exe file instead. Some games don't need to be installed at all and can be launched directly from the extracted folder. For example, this game, I Want to Be the Guy, doesn't have a setup file, so we can simply open its executable and start playing. And there we go. The game is extracted and ready to play. Once you've confirmed that the game works, you can also delete the original zip file if you want to free up some storage space. The extracted game files are what you need to play, so you don't normally need to keep the zip file. Now you might be wondering where WinRAR comes into this. While Windows can extract standard zip files on its own, you may come across games packaged as RAR, 7Z, or other archive formats that Windows can't handle by itself. In those cases, a program like WinRAR can be useful. Go to the official WinRAR website at rarlab.com, choose the version for your language, download it, and install it by following the setup steps. Once it's installed, right-click the zip or RAR file, choose the WinRAR option, and click Extract To. Then pick a location or leave the default folder. After a few seconds, the extracted folder will appear and you can open it to access the game files. One quick reminder: only run game files you've downloaded from a source you trust. If you're unsure about a file, scan it before opening it. Now you know how to extract and open a game that comes as a zip file or other file formats. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials.